said he wanted I wanted the food to go.
I wanted a belly full to go.
He wanted the belly full to go, but now it's not making it home.
It's not making it home. I got a belly full to go. I open it up just to taste, share with my amigos, share with my friends. At this point in time,
it ain't going nowhere. It ain't making it to the house.
It's not.
And look, he got a belly full over there too.
And he got one here too.
And another belly full over there. Up in the Moshas Reggae Lounge. Girlstown.
I might need that rum punch.
You need a rum punch?
I might need that rum punch.
All right.
Come get that rum punch.
Yeah, that's right. You had the rum punch before. When you asked me about the rice?
I did not know.
Don't tell him the secret, but just tell him about it is. Wicked thing.
The flavor. Now, when I'm from New York, I'm from the Bronx.
Yeah, you tell it to me.
We eat a lot of Jamaican food, but it's not like
it's a lot of Jamaican food. And trust, I'm not playing my city. My people cook good food. But when they put curry goat, it's all curry. This curry goat, the flavor, it's not only curry.
All different stuff.
It's not only curry. So when you get curry goat, you need, when you come to Mosha, you come get the curry goat. Don't just expect it to taste
any curry. Any curry you get. Yeah, he loving that.
It's different.
He loving that.
It's not making it home, people.
What's she trying to say to you? So guys, Mommy, so you can't tell her where you live. So this is how we do at this time of the night. We're about to go. We stay a little late. Dile hello. Es una chica de mi amiga también. Siempre mala conmigo, pero todo bien. Siempre ella dice a mí, mira, fuck you, Mosha. Okay, guys, so peace out, one love. Moshas Reggae Lounge.